Hi, my name is Ron Forster. I'm a product manager for photo printers at Hewlett-Packard, and today I'd like to share with you how you can use your HP printer to print some of your favorite photos on canvas, and how you can mount those photos on a frame with what's called a gallery wrap. You can do all this at home. You can have the control, the satisfaction, and the cost savings of doing this yourself. Now, I've got some of my favorite photos here from travels, and I'll show you how I prepared these on the computer, how I made the frames, and how I actually mounted these on the frames. I've used the HP PhotoSmart Pro B9180 printer. Now, this printer can print up to 13 by 19 inches wide, so you can do some very stunning display photos for gallery prints. It can print on smaller sizes too, so you can customize your prints. You can make custom sized frames, and we'll take you through the steps of doing that. Now, the great thing about this printer is it not only prints on regular photo paper, but can print on canvas and watercolor paper, so you can do many artistic things with the printer. Okay, let's prepare the photo for printing to canvas. Now, to do this, you could use your favorite photo editing software, and what you do is you lay out a work area the size of the final print that you want to make. Now, we're going to use a full page for this print, so it's 13 inches tall by 19 inches wide. That's the white space on the page here. Now, our actual print I've set for 17 inches wide by 11 inches tall, so there's a 1-inch border around the sides. I've done that so that I can have the full print visible from the front of the canvas. Now, to get the wrap effect, we need to create a similar image on the last inch around each side. And to do that, you just do a mirror image of an inch on each side of the print. So we'll just highlight an inch section on this side, and we're going to make a copy of that. We're going to select move, and all we're going to do is flip this over, as you can see here. So that creates that side there. Now, I'm making the layer and a mirror image on the left side like that, and I just click that to complete it. Now, you'll notice on this side there's a bit of the barn there. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, flatten that image. So I go up to the layers and I flatten the image, or merge visible layers, either way will do it. And there's two reasons for doing that. For one, I can do some stamping to kind of clear out some of the areas that may look like too obvious of a mirror. So I just go to my stamp tool and I select a large enough area, and I'm just going to sample some of the natural looking area and cover up that barn there. I think we're okay on the right hand side. Now, another reason I flatten the image is so that when I do a copy and mirror going vertical, I've got the complete width of the image, and I won't end up with a white space up in the corner here. So let me go ahead and create that mirror image on the top now, and I just stretch out an inch here. Now, on the top you'll see we have the trees there, and I think it's going to be okay, even though we'll have some extra tree branches up in the top, because it'll be a wrapped effect, and I don't think it's going to be too obvious that that's a mirror. So the main thing is to complete the color. Have the main color wrap around the side there. So you can see I've done that at the top. Do a similar thing at the bottom here, and make sure I'm working off of the original layer, so that what I'm copying and mirroring is going to be from the original content. Once again, I just do a mirror, pull that image down there, click OK, and there we have it. There's our image ready to be printed on canvas. I've selected print, and I'm showing you how I've set up the print settings for this type of a print. I'm using the HP Artist Matte Canvas, and this media can be bought through hp.com or through your local photo shop. Once again, this media is only supported on our pigment-based printer, the B9180, because of the ability to print on a wide variety of medias. I've selected borderless B+, so that gives us the 13 by 19 inch right out to the edge, and it's borderless. This is fed through the specialty paper tray, and that's automatically selected when you select canvas. That gives us the ability to print on a straight through paper path, no bending in the media, and of course it's in landscape mode. So I'll just print OK and print that out, and let's go make the frame while that's printing.